Good evening, friends. In our earlier segment, we talked about the internal and external repairs. Today, in this segment, we shall continue with the same subject of leakages and look at another important subject: leakages happening from the terraces of a particular building, and who is going to bear the cost for repairing, whose responsibility is to repair the terraces. Friends, as buildings get older, due to wear and tear and usage, cracks develop on the surface of the terrace, on the chhajjas, on the parapet walls, and water starts seeping down to the flat on the top floor. The residents of the top floor who have purchased those flats with great fanfare start getting worried, as during monsoons many of them live in miserable conditions. They have to keep buckets as the water starts dripping continuously from the terrace roof. These residents then go and complain to the society office, and the society office and office bearers' immediate reaction is to dodge them. They try to shrug them off by their inaction, thinking that they will ultimately repair or get the terrace repaired themselves. Friends, bylaw number 160, the section 160 of the bylaws is very clear about this subject. The responsibility of repairing the terrace floor and the damage caused by seepage of water from the terrace to the flat right below the terrace to the roof of that flat, the responsibility of repairing both these things lies with the society. The society will have to repair the terrace at its own cost, as well as it is the society's responsibility to repair the damaged roof due to such seepage of the flat which is directly below the terrace. Friends, there have been cases where the Consumer Forum has ordered a society in Andheri to reimburse the flat owner right below the terrace to the extent of 3.5 lakh rupees, as the terrace conditions was terrible and the society had shirked away from its responsibility from repairing. Let me be very clear, the entire cost of repairs for the terraces and the roof of the flat right below the terrace has to be borne entirely by the society. And if the society management is not listening to your pleas, you can approach the deputy registrar and make a complaint against the managing committee and the office bearers of that particular society. So, this is your right, and I hope that I have made it very clear to you what is the legal position on this subject. There has been a High Court ruling where the High Court has also said that the society management shall repair such leaking terraces immediately, and if due to their negligence any damage is caused to the flat below or to the lives of the people are endangered due to a short circuit or any other falling of the roof slab, roof plaster or anything, the responsibility will lie solely with the office bearers of the society. Thank you.